Civil 3D has an amazing tool to be able to create an alignment that is based upon network structures that are selected. And it doesn't just create the alignment, it walks you through from the alignment into creating the profiles, and then from creating the profiles right into creating the profile view. Very useful tool in that creation process. But what has always stood out to me is once that alignment is created, it's no longer dynamically linked to that network. And I've always kind of struggled with that. So what we've done is we've created a tool that will add that dynamic link to the existing alignment that was created for the network. So we're going to go ahead and say we want to create it or add. I'll select from the drawing here, and we'll grab this network, this alignment. So storm alignment, and then we'll choose the storm network. And you notice the software automatically read from all of the structures in the network. The alignment already sits on these structures. So it's assuming that you want to link all of these. So it's pretty smart. Now notice A2 was missed because I pulled A2 off from being right on top of the alignment. So we're going to add that or insert that. That's another structure we want to link. Now this is in the order of how the alignment is going to be created. So we want it to go from A1 to A2 to A3. So I'm going to move this up in the list, and then we'll just push it down 1. So now we're in the correct order for the alignment to work. Optionally, I can say I want a little bit of an offset, so the alignment's a little bit longer or bigger than the network at the beginning and the end. This is very useful, I think, for the start when you are coming into your first structures, maybe a head wall, some type of outfall. You want to be able to kind of see where that outfall goes. And I'll go ahead and click OK. And you'll see now that this alignment has adjusted. So has the profile view. And you'll notice that the profile view was smart enough to know, even though we did an offset, that that first structure is 0, 0. So we can do the offsets without having to worry about throwing off maybe any of our station labels, if that's how we're labeling our distances. And this now is dynamically linked. So if I change, let's say I'll move structure A3 and we'll move it over here, you'll see that the alignment adjusted, and thereby the profile and the profile view all adjusted accordingly. And this stays with the drawing. You save the drawing, it'll continue to keep that dynamic link throughout. At any point you can choose to edit any of the links that are in the drawing. And you notice that although I did not name it, when I first created it, added a unique name for us. And so we can select this linked alignment and make any additional adjustments. Maybe we'll say we'll do a start offset of 25. And of course you can delete any existing linked alignments, and then what that does is it just removes that dynamic nature and goes back to the way it was at the beginning. This solves a little bit of a missed opportunity that Autodesk has in Civil 3D. A very simple tool, very easy. You get them all linked and you never have to worry about your alignments again.